Okay, we are looking at example problem A on your collisions practice worksheet. And the first thing we want to look at is what type of collision is happening here. So it looks like we have two objects to start with, and then after they collide, they stick together and keep going. So since they stick together and they don't bounce off of each other, that is called an inelastic collision. So inelastic. And then the next thing they want to know is what is the velocity of these two objects after they collide. So remember that momentum is mass times velocity, and the conservation of momentum tells us that whatever momentum we started with, so the P initial, has to equal the final momentum, so P final. I can also set this up with mv initial equals mv final. So looking at this situation, I have two objects, so I'm going to have a momentum for each object. So m1 v1 for this object plus m2 v2 for this object. So this is number 1 and this is number 2. And it must equal the final mass and the final velocity after the collision. So this is my final. So I plug in my numbers. 3 times 6 plus 10 times 4. Their final mass together is 13. 3 plus 10 is 13. And we are solving for their final velocity. So I start simplifying. This is 18 plus 40 equals 13v. 58 equals 13v. Divide both sides by 13. And I get that the velocity is equal to 4.46 meters per second. And that makes sense. It's sort of an average of the two velocities. And that is example problem A.